So we have this question on counting principle, where we have to say that how many 4-digit pins can be formed if digits can be repeated. So this is a very easy question, guys, basic PNC. So we have to make a 4-digit pin, and let's just see the choices that we have in it. So the first digit will have 9 choices from 1 to 9. We cannot fill 0 here, because if we fill 0 here, then it will be a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So this is 0 is not a choice here, and rest everyone can have 0 to 9 digits. So this will have 10 choices, 10 choices and 10 choices. So the number of pins would be 9 into 10 to the power 3. This was a very easy PNC question, guys. And basic questions are very essential if you are preparing for any exam, because they help you to clear the concepts. This was a very basic PNC question, or combinatorics you can say. So yeah, this is it.